get ready with me to sit around the house for the rest of the day. I really just felt like playing in some makeup, and I really get in my moods when I just want to practice. And honestly, guys, that's the only way to get better at your makeup, is to just practice, play around with different looks. So I took out some items that were fall inspired. And as I continued on this makeup look, I figured out that most of these items are at Sephora, with the exception of this e.l.f. Camo blush that I'm using right here. So I'll make a list of all the items that I recommend for the Sephora sale, because you know the Sephora sale is coming up starting on November the 1st. I've really been enjoying doing this underpainting techniques, and I think it's very good for beginners or those of us with mature skin. I like it because you add all your base products underneath. As you see, I started with a bronzer, then blush, and then concealer. So I'm basically working backwards, and to me, this just helps me control how much product I put on my face, meaning my foundation. I don't need nearly as much, and once these products all blend and marry together, and baby, you do have to blend for your life when you do this techniques, because you want the final look to look like you just have a good even complexion. And adding all these products in the beginning is really just going to help get the complexion nice, looking even, looking fresh and vibrant. And I really have been loving this technique. I really love using the Yummy Skin before my foundation lately, but let me give you a little pro tip. If you have the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin, and I have the shade 5, mixing this with your foundation, so like I'm applying this now, right? But then mixing it in with my NARS foundation or my House Labs foundation, and it is just chef's kiss. See, this is what I mean by just playing around with your makeup and practicing, because this way you can figure out what works for you, what doesn't. Experiment with new techniques, and if you mess up, just do it before you take your shower. Have you guys ever heard of shower makeup, where you practice your makeup first? You put on a full face, you practice, you take your photos if you want to, but you really get to experiment with different makeup looks, and then you take your shower so you get a chance to wash your face and do your skincare and things like that. But honestly, you're really just gonna have to practice your makeup, and it's really not even about the makeup that you have, it's about the technique. So I could do this complete look with drugstore products. I can do this complete look with, if I find something at Dollar General or at Sephora or at Nordstrom. It really doesn't matter about the makeup. It really matters about your technique. I like this little move too as well, blending out my setting powder on the back of my hand and really diffusing that before pressing that under my under eye. I'm telling you, this is a great trick if you're a little bit older, and this is where I have my fine lines under my eyes, because I don't have fine lines anywhere else on my face, but under my eyes, and doing that little trick with pressing my powder into the back of my hand first and then blending under my eyes, baby, chef's kiss. I look snatched every single time. I just love this look so much. And today, honestly, I really wasn't doing anything else. I just wanted to play in makeup, and I thought, how can I post this video? Because I don't want to cut down the time. I don't want to make it super short to fit Instagram. And I figured I would give it to my YouTube audience, because I know you guys love my tutorials, and I really, really appreciate that. This palette is from Danessa Myricks, and it's her Love is Love palette. I do believe this is still available at Sephora, but don't quote me. Feel free to check the website. But if not, it's definitely available on Danessa's website. I think she's going to have a sale coming up, but everybody is having a sale, honey. It's holiday season, and the sales are kicking in. So get your coins ready and be prepared to be sick of me, because I will be posting all the links, all the sales. I'm trying to do better this year. We're giving you guys the information beforehand and not the day of. I'm not quite sure how I feel about this Fenty mascara just yet. I have naturally thin lashes, so we'll see. I have to give it a proper wear test. But I'm applying the Molasses lip pencil. This is also from the Sephora collection, along with the plumping gloss. And that's really it, you guys. I just played around. I love how this look turned out. I think it's super chic. It's kind of elegant, a little bit high glam, but also very easy to do. So this is your sign this week to pull out those makeup brushes and practice your signature look. Till next time, smooches.